Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can make DIY pop sockets at your home. Pop sockets are mobile accessories that you put on your mobile phone. They are used for grip and support. To start off, take 2 vacuum cups. You can get them easily at the hardware store. Now stick them together with super glue. Be careful as the super glue might stick to your hands. Take the help of an adult. Apply the super glue. Press them together and let it dry. After it's fully dried, put it on a piece of paper and take an outline of it. You will get a circular shape. Now cut it with a pair of scissors. Now fill one end of the vacuum cup with glue gun. Fill the whole space. It should fill like a cup. Now put your piece of paper on it and it will stick there. It might be hot, be careful. Now your pop socket is ready, guys. This is a really cheap pop socket and it's great to use. It's super sticky, it does not get off from your phone easily. It looks good, you can add your own designs on the piece of paper. You can take a print out and put it on there. It's a great mobile stand, it does not fall off. I love this.